Everybody, welcome back to the Real Beal Adventure. Today, we're going, what is it? What's the bird called?
It's a Junco.
Junco bird hunting.
He's not trash though.
Not hunting.
Yeah, we're gonna hunt it.
No.
So we're over here at Grandma and Grandpa's house, which is Aaron's parents. And apparently there is a Junco bird that's been hanging around that doesn't fly. And Shiloh is determined to catch it. So we're gonna try to see if Shiloh can't catch the Junco bird. And she's already named it and everything. So
His name is Ollie.
Ollie. All right, well, let's go.
I don't see him.
Let's go with Papa.
Let's go over here a little bit. There's a lot of birds.
Ollie. Ollie. Tubbs, stay. Ollie.
There's Tubbs again. Hi, bud. He loves that. He loves it out here.
Ollie.
She's calling for it. Automatically knows its name now.
That's the seed that Papa had.
So
out
here's
for
the
it.
seed pile. It's a lot of seed. I don't know. I hear all kinds of birds.
Should we go with Papa?
Yeah, you want to take the phone and go ask?
Yep.
Turn it around.
Hey guys. There goes Tubbs.
I don't think he's ever been on the Real Beal Adventure yet.
Nope, he hasn't. By the way, as you could tell, I'm walking up steps. Just so it didn't confuse you.
Did you find it, Shaq?
No. Where's Junco? Where is he?
I don't
Oh,
know.
I don't know. I saw him.
sure.
We saw him today.
She's logging right now.
He hopped up the
What
steps
is this?
all the way to the top
I'm
of the
gonna be
deck.
on YouTube.
Really?
Shiloh, introduce everybody.
What?
Okay,
You wanna
this is
pause
my
it real quick,
grandpa.
Papa?
His name is Randy.
Papa, you wanna pause the TV?
Yeah, I think we should pause it.
Yeah. Are you chewing gum?
This is my grandma. Her name is Joyce. Hello. This is Pip Pip. Pip Pip, say hi. Hi. Good job. Oni, can you say hi to the camera? Hi. Good job.
You guys are gonna be on YouTube.
You're gonna be famous.
Hi, camera.
And what is this?
This is a huge ball. Dad,
So what we have here
look, Papa.
is the
Do
smallest
the
beach
crazy
ball
thing.
in the world.
Do the crazy thing.
What crazy thing?
When you hold my feet and you like go up.
Oh, with the ball.
I need to back up because Papa's tall.
One sec, guys.
Tubbies. Aww. You guys have colds.
Oh no. Oh no.
Here she goes.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Let go this time, Papa.
No!
Ear piercing.
Oh no! Oh no!
Pippa doesn't want to do it. Oh, Pippa's scared of everything.
Hey, girls.
Say, go away, ball.
What do you think about this big old ball?
What do you think about that ball, Pippa?
Say, go away, ball.
Papa, will you help us find Junco?
Well-
I already named him. His name's Ollie.
I'm scared, she said.
I've seen him for about 5 days now.
Ooh,
Usually,
so this is where we're having dinner tonight.
no food. That's not good.
Valentine's dinner.
You made it.
You got
so
anything to
fancy.
say, Oni? You want to tell us about this?
Come here.
Tell us about that.
Come here, Shiloh.
Wait, Pabst Blue Ribbon hard
It is.
I saw it.
Oh, you did? What did you
What is that?
Heart.
It's a heart.
I.
Here.
There's crazy hair Pippa.
You can't have one, but you don't have to.
I got a cup of ice. I use it when I'm
Yeah.
Let's wait till Brendan and Lindsay get here. Is it good? They're not here yet. Does it have caffeine in it?
You got gum? Is it delicious?
Does it have caffeine in it?
What's in your hand? What is that? Oh, that's a paintbrush. See?
Tastes like a protein shake.
Say hi.
Where's
There's
Ollie?
Ollie.
Papa, I want to find Ollie.
Well, I don't know where he's at.
Well, Shiley, you want to get your shoes back on? We'll go look one more time.
Yep.
It doesn't taste like beer.
You ready to go, Tubbs?
It tastes like iced
Look
coffee.
behind you.
Really sweet iced coffee.
Tastes pretty good.
There's some seed. That's delicious. I can hear the birds. There's a red-headed woodpecker.
Hey, Dan. Taste that.
Comment below in the non-comment section if you see Junco. If you see a Junco. Huh?
Ooh, that's a patriotic shot there with the American flag. I'm gonna give a shout out to our friend Jason, who's deployed right now.
Hi, Jason.
Today, the little Junco climbed all the way
Thank
up
you for your
here
service.
on the steps. And he was standing here just looking out over the... But his tracks continually went out here. And I saw him in this bush and he's just hopping from limb to limb. His right wing hangs. But here's something also that wasn't. You see these two big slashes in the ground?
Yeah.
Somebody just walked over there.
Yeah, I see the
Those
slashes.
were out there in the middle of nowhere with no tracks.
So you think the
That's
bird
a
did that?
hawk.
Oh, that's
I
a
think the
hawk.
come down, he might have got him.
Oh, a
Oh,
hawk.
there's a bird down there. There's a bird down there.
That's a dead one.
So the hawk
Is that Ollie?
No.
that's not what we're after, but that bird may have been
He may have been zapped. I don't know.
he may have been picked up by a hawk according to those two slashes.
Because earlier there were no tracks around him.
And that's a good sign that that's a hawk that made those.
Yeah,
Some-
because
the
the Cooper,
slashes.
the Cooper hawk has been around.
A Cooper
Oh
hawk.
no! What if Ollie's gone?
And that's what he eats. He eats birds.
Cooper hawk eats birds. There sure is a lot of birds out here.
Oh no!
There's a
Ollie!
Red-breasted
Red-breasted.
woodpecker in the
Papa,
tree.
what does Ollie look like?
Yep,
There he
there it
goes.
goes.
Papa, what does Ollie look like?
He's a dark-eyed
There's a
Junco.
very rare brown and white border collie.
Let's go over
Very rare sighting. Tubbs,
Come on.
let's go, bud. Let's go. Go
Come on,
get it.
buddy.
Go get the bird. Tubbs, go get the squirrel.
There were, when you could see it. Well, look. There it is. See these? Those are his tracks. You can go back. and
Those
forth. Those are his tracks.
those are tracks.
But the thing is, he can climb.
He can
'Cause He
climb.
was up into this all over the place, and he might even be up here in this tree. I don't know. But this is the direction he would come in. And if he sees us around here, he's probably hiding. But I've seen him about 5 times in about 5 days. Yeah, if we're out here, he's probably hiding. I almost got to wait till he gets out in the open. I saw him out here 2 days ago. Yeah, these 2 slashes were in the ground.
Yeah, let's go look at these slashes, Shy.
I don't want to see a dead Ollie. Where? Where are they?
I don't know.
These?
I'm trying to, yeah. But you could see them better.
Oh, look, yeah, look at that.
Yeah. And there was no tracks. But it's got almost
Oh, and here's another one.
marks, yeah.
That's cool. Bye-bye, Ollie.
That's not Ollie.
Might not be. I just noticed them this morning when there was a lot more snow.
I'm gonna go throw that dead bird in the. No.
Okay. Run!
I'm gonna go through that dead bird.
All right, you want to sign off, Shy?
Huh?
You want to sign off?
What does that mean?
We're gonna end the film, the vlog.
We'll edit. Don't worry.
Oh, there's a dead bird.
Hi.
That's a good way to end it.
Tuck!
Well, remember to subscribe to our channel.
Okay, the video isn't over yet. We're just gonna edit
It might be over, but
yeah.
we might keep making a new one. But either way, subscribe to our channel, share it around to your friends. That's about it. We good?
Yep.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
See you guys.